You're in downtown Los Angeles. Match starts in 2 hours. The stadium is somewhere, but where?
You ask a stranger. They speak fast English with hand signals. You catch one in 5 words.
Today, asking for directions. A 2 English. Simple, clear, and confident.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
3 skills today. How to ask. How to understand the answer. What to do when you don't understand.
A 2-level, simple grammar, clear vocabulary, real situations.
Let's start.
The polite opener. Excuse me. Always start with this. Smile, eye contact.
Then ask. 2 main patterns. Pattern 1, where is? Pattern 2, how do I get to?
Where is the stadium? Or, where is Sophie Stadium? If you know the name.
Or, how do I get to the stadium? Slightly more polite.
Even better, could you tell me where the stadium is? Very polite, very effective.
Other places. Where is the metro station? Where is the bathroom? Where is my hotel?
If you have an address, how do I get to 123 Main Street?
If you have your phone, show the map. I'm going here, how do I get there?
Now the answer. Common direction words. Straight ahead, go forward.
Left and right. Turn left at the corner. Turn right at the lights.
How to ask. Excuse me, where is? Or how do I get to?
Polite version. Could you tell me where is?
Direction vocabulary. Straight ahead. Turn left. Turn right.
Showing instead of asking. I'm going here. Point at your map.
Now, what the answer can include.
Distance words. Block is 1 street segment. 2 blocks means past 2 intersections.
Or, it's 5 minutes by walk. Or, it's a 10-minute walk.
By car or transit, it's 15 minutes by car. 20 minutes by train.
Landmarks. It's next to the McDonald's. Across from the bank. Opposite the hotel.
It's on the corner. It's behind the post office. It's between the bank and the cafe.
If you don't understand important phrases, could you speak more slowly?
Or, could you repeat that? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Or simplest, could you show me on my phone? Most people will.
If you only understood part, so I turn left at the corner? Confirm what you heard.
Numbers can be tricky. 2 blocks vs 4 blocks. Confirm if unsure.
Write it down. Could you write the address for me? Many people will.
Thank you phrases. Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
Quick exchanges work too. Thanks. No problem. Or, thanks. You're welcome.
If they don't know, sorry, I don't know. Just say, no problem, thanks anyway.
Ask the next person. Don't give up. Most people are happy to help tourists.
Backup plan. Use Google Maps or Apple Maps on your phone. They speak many languages.
Distance. 2 blocks. A 10-minute walk. 15 minutes by car.
Landmarks. Next to. Across from. Opposite. On the corner. Between.
Don't understand. Could you speak more slowly? Could you repeat that?
Confirm. So I turn left at the corner. Get it right before walking away.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
Practice these out loud.
Excuse me, where is the stadium?
How do I get to my hotel?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
So I turn left at the next corner?
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
Quiz. What do you say?
You're lost. You need to find your hotel. You see a friendly stranger.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Marriott Hotel? Polite. Clear.
The person speaks too fast. You catch only half.
Could you speak more slowly? Or, could you show me on my phone?
Last, they helped you. What do you say?
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful. Always say thanks.
Direction English is short, simple, and polite. You don't need long sentences.
Try one polite question today. With one stranger. You'll see, it works.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. See you next time.